Alright.
Cooking homemade food in the microwave can be a difficult thing. As you're cooking your meal, you have to make sure that the heat is being distributed evenly throughout. If the plate in your microwave turns while cooking, this can help with that. If not, there are a few tips you can learn to help control this. Microwave cooking can be helpful also, especially for busy people today that have jobs that keep them busy or have many priorities to take care of, and they don't have time to sit at home and cook meals that may take hours. While microwave cooking will taste just as great, but can be done in less than half the time. This is why I'm going to show everyone a simple and easy recipe for a pineapple upside down cake cooked in the microwave. And I'll give you a few tips on cooking while I'm demonstrating my recipe. First, I have here 1/4 cup of melted butter, and I sprinkled half of a cup of brown sugar over top of that, and I laid some pineapple rings and maraschino cherries over top of that, and I microwaved it on high for 4 minutes. One thing to remember when measuring brown sugar is to pack it into your measuring cups, that way you can flip it over and it will still retain the shape of the container. While you were microwaving your pineapple rings, you could have mixed together 1 cup of flour, 1/3 cup of milk, half of a tablespoon of vanilla extract, and half a tablespoon of salt, 1/3 cup of Crisco or shortening, and 2 eggs. Make sure to use the correct measurements like this, which is teaspoon and tablespoon measures, wet measures, dry measures. And when doing your eggs, make sure you crack them in a separate bowl before you pour them over so you don't ruin your batter. Then when you have all that mixed together, you can just pour this right over top of your pineapple rings, and then you'll put this back in the microwave on high for 6 minutes. Make sure you do not put metal in the microwave, and if you cover it with plastic wrap or paper towels, make sure they are microwave safe. And the texture of microwave cakes makes it difficult to spread icing on them, which is why upside down cakes are great for microwave cakes. And your food is going to cook more quickly around the edges, so make sure it's thinner in the middle, or thicker in the middle and thinner on the outside. Another thing, when measuring flour, you can pack the flour over. Don't pack your flour, just pour it right over and then just scrape any excess over the top. Now after this is cooking for 6 minutes in the microwave, if you need to, rotate it 90 degrees and put it back in the microwave on high for 8 minutes. Now we've all learned how to make a great pineapple upside down cake.